Hello, welcome to Mudra Soft Trade. In this today's video we will be demonstrating you the MD intraday strategy for equity segment. So this strategy is based on AmiBroker platform, and in this strategy you will get automatic buy and sell signals in the live market. So whenever there will be buy call in the strategy, it will show you the upward arrow with the green color, and whenever there will be a sell call in the strategy, you will be denoted by a sell downward arrow of red color, right? So these are the buy and sell calls. So apart from this, the strategy will tell you which buy and which sell call is perfect, and you must enter in only such calls. So how this is possible? This is possible with some advanced indicators that this strategy has, which will support your buy and sell calls. So these advanced indicators are a trade line. You can see a trade line running in parallel to your candles, having a green color and a red color, right? This is a trade line. This will denote you the current market trend. Okay, now the next indicator, which is a smart indicator we have, is the volume bar. In the bottom side you can see a ribbon having three colors: gray, green and red, right? So this is our second smart indicator. So when both the indicators having the same color following your call, that time the call is perfect. So just we will see a call, and based on that we will see how this can be analyzed in more detail, right? So in this candle our buy call came, right? So what our strategy tells you that whenever there is a buy call, let that candle get completed. So for intraday we prefer 15 minutes time frame, right? So the candle will be closing after 15 minutes. So whenever there will be an arrow on the candle, you must wait for 15 minutes, let the candle get closed and your call get confirmed. Whenever there will be a confirm indications of buy call, on the next candle opening you must make your buy entry. Got it? So at this point you must see that your both the smart indicators in your favor. That is the only criteria of our confirmation call. Means whenever there will be a buy call, on the next candle opening you must enter in the call, provided that the trend line is in your favor. That means a buy call, trend line must be a green. Next thing, your volume bar, that must be showing your buying favor, that is it must be also green. If these both conditions are fulfilled, that time your call is perfect and it will be surely hitting your targets. I will take you on that call. You can see all the three targets are done. Why? Because it was a perfect call, and the accuracy of such calls is 90% because of this confirmation. Whenever such confirmation is in your favor of the call, that time the call perfectly hitting your targets. But what if one of the condition is in your favor or both the condition does not follow your call? On such type of calls you must not make any entry. That is our point. Means whenever both indicators are in your favor, that time only such calls is perfect. If one of the indicator is also missing, that time please avoid such call and wait for next call, that is software will generate with the same perfection. So this was our of the buy call. Similarly, when there will be a sell call in the market, that time your entry will be again on the next candle opening, and that point you must see that
hello, buy signal generated.
At that point you must see that your both the indicators are in sell favor. That time such call is perfect. Okay, so just I will show you one more call. This is sell call. Similarly, you can see the call was generated at this point. My entry was the opening of this candle, and at this point I have checked that the trend line is in my favor. Also my volume bar was also in my favor. So both the conditions satisfied, and I have entered in this call, and perfectly it has given your targets. So this is just a simple technique you need to follow whenever you need to enter in any of the call in the market. So in such type of calls, if you trade, you will be surely getting your targets. Also the stop loss which we have is a trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss means as the market proceed further, the trailing stop loss will changes its values and it will trail you according to the market, so that whenever the stop loss is going to hit in the live market, it will be exited you from the trade with the minimum loss. So this is the logic behind the trailing stop loss. But when such calls are perfect call, whenever you get, there will be 90% surety that you will get your targets first, if such condition is in your favor of the call. So I will suggest you only take such calls where you will get the perfect confirmation from the both smart indicators. If you trade on such call, 90% your trade will be hitting your targets only. Now we will see what are the fake calls.
Hello, sell signal generated.
You can see there is also sound alert in our strategy, right? So sound alert will also help you whenever you are not on the system, you are away from the system. That time the sound alert will help you to get your attention over the chart whenever there will be any fresh calls in the market, right? So this will help you in that way. So what is the fake call and how you can identify it? So fake call whenever comes, you must see that on the next candle my one of indicator, that is trend line, is in my favor, but my volume color is in the gray condition. Gray condition means the neutral condition, where market may be sideways or there may not be a strong selling volume. As the call is in the sale, we must need the volume to be in our sell call. That is, the volume must be red. That time the call will be 100% sure for our targets. So this call I won't recommend you to enter in such type of calls, because there is no volume, there is a trend line in your favor. No doubt the trend may be a short term sell trend, but the volume is not so strong so that you can enter in this call with the confirmation of hitting your targets. Sometimes such calls may also give you targets, but the accuracy of such type of call will not be 90%. It may be around 50-60%. So why to trade in such calls when we have a simple strategy? With it you can get 90% accuracy of the calls. So I will suggest you to take only such call where there is a confirmation of our smart indicators in your call favor. So this was all about this strategy. Apart from this, I have some more information to be shared with the chart. So there are few settings that you can make in the chart to get more information, as per your technical needs. So first thing is that this candlestick, you can change it into a Heikinesi type of candles. So I have right click on the chart, then you need to go to the parameters. Then you can see there is a plot Heikinesi candles. If you make it change, you can make this change, and you can see there is a change of the candlestick into Heikinesi pattern. So there is no need to follow any third party Heikinesi chart or something else to make your study complete. So we have integrated this everything in the single chart. So again, if you want to make it into normal candles, just make the change here. It will be reflecting on the chart. Next thing is that you can divide the candles based on the grids. Grids means you can if you want to bifurcate the chart into a daily, weekly or monthly type of patterns, you can simply click on the grid option in the parameters. You will select the grid day, so you will click OK. You can see there is a white dotted lines mark on the chart. So this will make you identify that the candles are bifurcated day wise, right? So this is showing me 17th of March. Candles belongs to 17th of March. This section is 16th March. This is of 15th March. So this way you can bifurcate the candles based on the day grid. Also, if you are a technical savvy and you are on to your technical study on the candlestick patterns, right? So for this we also have a facility that each and every candle will be having some name, right? So these names are denoted automatically in the chart. So whenever you will click on any of the candle, what that candle means what that candle we can name it. So this candle will be having automatically name at the top of our chart. This also a feature we have added automatically on your chart. Means you can see whichever candle you will click, what that candle means what is the name of that candle. You can actually get it over here. There is no need to make any extra study of it, but this will help you when you are onto your technical knowledge. When you are preparing your technical knowledge, this naming of the candlestick pattern will help you in pursuing your that knowledge, right? So this is the facility that we also have in this chart. One more thing, there is a resistance and support lines. So depending on the market, it will be changing your resistance and support lines. Got it? So resistance means from the top end there is a resistance to the market, and from that point there may be a chances of market getting reversed, right? When there is a support, when the market approach the support line, there are chances that from that point market may get bounce back. So these are the meaning of support and resistance. So thank you for watching our video. Bye.